How can you go from having $0 to $1,000 by the end of this month with System.io's affiliate program? In this video, I'm going to break down exactly how to do that. What System.io is an entire tutorial and showing you exactly how to sell it as an affiliate to make your first $1,000 this month in affiliate marketing. Let's go. Now, the first thing I want to go over here and first want to talk about what System.io's affiliate program looks like. This is my affiliate dashboard. As you can see, I don't really focus and concentrate on selling System.io. It's not like my main platform here, but you can see it's just another stream of income where my lifetime earnings has been over $4,000, about $4,500 here. I have pending now a little over $1,000 in the last 30 days, a little over $1,000. And I've only sent a total of 147 leads to the affiliate program in System.io. Now I want to quick go over the benefits and features of System.io, how it works, and how it's the new funnel builder on the block and everybody's moving to System.io. ClickFunnels, Kartra, Builderall, all these other platforms. You've seen some of the other videos I have on this channel, how a lot of the users of those platforms are leaving and coming over to System.io because it's so much better. Okay, and we're going to explain exactly why. And then I'm going to get into exactly how to sell this as an affiliate to start making this kind of income today, right now. All right. Now, first of all, I want to get into some of the features of System.io, and the reason that is important to understand the features and what System.io has in its ecosystem is so that you know who you can sell this to. Okay, that's the first step. If you know who you can sell this to, you know who your target audience is, who your potential customers are. If you know those things, then the product itself becomes so much easier to sell. So let's go over some of these features. Obviously, it builds sales funnels. We already know the ClickFunnels crowd, the people who are already paying $97 a month for something like ClickFunnels, Kartra, Kajabi, Builderall. There's so many other funnel builders out there on the market, but the reason you can get them to switch over from the platform they're using right now, they're using that. You can get them to switch over to System.io because it's free. That's a big selling point right there. It is free. And you might be thinking, well, it's free. How can I make money from this if it's free? I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. But first, you can also build blogs. That's another key point here. You can build blogs. So it replaces things like WordPress. Sometimes you'll run into a blogger, somebody who's doing, blogging. Basically, they're building websites, they're typing a bunch of stories all day long. System.io does blogging too, so you can target those people who are currently writing blogs. It has a membership site. What basically that translates into is your course creators, people who are creating courses on Udemy, people who are creating courses on Teachable and all these other platforms. You can tell them, hey, you know how you're paying for that service and you're building courses on those services? Instead, you can just get System.io and it's free and you can build your course in here. So you have a massive audience, a lot of people you can target. It also has your email campaigns, so things like ActiveCampaign and Aweber and GetResponse and all those things. You can pretty much replace that with System.io. So again, this stuff being free is a huge selling point. And again, I'm going to show you how to still make money even though it's free. So here's the thing. Okay, so we know that System.io is free, but it's free to start with. What it really is it's a model called freemium. So yes, it is free and it's free for lifetime. You can legit have a System.io account and have it be completely free forever. Okay, but the thing is, it's freemium, meaning that when you start growing your business, say you start having like something like 500 contacts, okay? Say they grow their email list to over 500 people on their email list, leads, they want to have more funnels, they want to have more courses, they want to grow their business, they want to have more products, things like that. Once they start getting into that territory, the price will start going up, but it doesn't go up a whole lot. It goes up, I think the plan started like $27, $47, still way cheaper than these other platforms. So it runs on a freemium model. That's one of the ways that you make money selling a free thing. Basically, you send people over to System.io, they are locked into your affiliate link forever. Once you recommend System.io to somebody, they click that link, they sign up for a free account, they are now your lead forever. So if they if they go ahead and they sign up for a paid account a year from now, 2 years from now, you still get credit as an affiliate, which is super, super, super powerful. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do this in just a minute. But first I want to explain the freemium model. So not only is the freemium model super, super, super powerful in the fact that you only have to sell them into a free thing for lifetime. And when they choose to upgrade, when they choose to want to grow their business, they pay a little extra, you get a commission for that. Not only that, but the commissions and the affiliate structure and everything is 2-tier. So how does 2-tier work? Let's say this is you, and you send someone over to System.io. Okay, you are an affiliate and you send someone over to System.io. Now, what that means is that becomes your lead, right? Equals a lead. But what if that lead, what if they become a System.io free account holder, or even they're paying, and they go and they recommend System.io to someone else, right? They recommend it to someone else, and someone else, and someone else. Let's say that that person now recommends his friends, his family, all these other people, says, hey man, System.io is the new way. Get rid of ClickFunnels, get rid of Builderall, get rid of all this stuff. System.io will actually still give you affiliate credit, give you affiliate commissions, a smaller percentage obviously, for this tier, for these people here that your recommendation, your referral sent over. So that's the 2-tier, the 2-step affiliate program, is not only the recommendations or referrals that you're sending into System.io, not only directly the leads that you're bringing in, the people you're bringing in, but the people that they are bringing in, you also get credit for them too. So that is huge, 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 huge. I hope you guys can see the compounding effect that that has. I can tell you most of the people that I brought in on a referral as a System.io affiliate, most of the people, you can see the link down in the description below for my System.io affiliate link. And by all means, click that link. If you haven't signed up yet, please do that. That's awesome. But all the people that I brought in, some of them are now bringing other people in as well, which is also compounding my affiliate account and giving me cash flow, which is why I said earlier in this video that it's not a main, a stream of income that I focus on, but you could potentially make $1,000 your first month as an affiliate selling a free thing. It's really, really simple, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Okay, now I'm going to show you this method, and we're going to go really deep into how you're going to make $1,000 your first month selling System.io's free service to other people. And I know that Russell Brunson, if you see this video, you're gonna kill me, but listen, the best way to go about this and do this as quickly as possible is to find Facebook groups. Okay, Facebook groups are a great way to find leads who've already raised their hand, who already said, yes, I have this problem and I'm looking for a solution. Now look, in the ClickFunnels Avengers group, which is ClickFunnels affiliate group, they have over 92,000 members. And I know it seems so unethical and so wrong to go in here and start quote unquote stealing customers from ClickFunnels, but you're not stealing them. ClickFunnels doesn't own these people. These are individual people. They're people like you and me. Nobody owns us, right? We make decisions with our dollars. We make decisions with the products that we purchase. And the chances are the people who are in this group posting every day, interacting, the chances are they've never even heard of System.io, okay? They don't even know that there's a free alternative to ClickFunnels. So they're just paying for ClickFunnels even though they don't really necessarily want ClickFunnels. They just think it's the only game in town. So you can legit go in here, start conversations. Don't post, hey, get System.io, you're gonna get in trouble. But start conversations with people, send out a friend request or two, have a messenger conversation. Hey, have you heard of System.io? Do you wanna check it out? And send them your affiliate link. They might not have ever even heard of it. And they start signing up for the free account. That is your lead forever. You can legit do this, rinse, wash, repeat every single day until you're literally referring hundreds of leads per week to System.io, and that account starts building up over time because a lot of those people will upgrade, a lot of those people will refer other people, those become your sub leads, and you compound that into an entire affiliate, stream of income. Now, if you want to know more about my Facebook organic marketing strategies, there's an entire playlist right here that'll pop up on this side or this side. I'm not sure exactly where, above my head. But check that out, and it'll give you the whole play-by-play on how I get leads through Facebook organically, which is free marketing. So you can use your System.io affiliate link and start pitching it out there and start telling people, hey, System.io, have you heard the good gospel? You know, all that good stuff, and start making commissions through System.io. I'm the infamous Joel, and I'm out.